How to turn on the always on display on your Garmin Venu 2. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Venu 2 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and turn on the always on display on your Garmin Venu 2. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. Alright, so as you can see here with the always on display on, I can still see the data on my watch face, but a lot of the detail and color is gone. So if I use glance and turn on the watch face to its full potential, you can see all the color and the full vibrance of the watch face on my Venu 2. A couple things about the always on display on the Venu 2. It will use a lot more battery, so your battery life will be around 2 to 3 days, depending on what you're doing with activities and GPS. And then it will not work with all watch faces. So if you're using the built-in watch faces, you'll be fine, but some third-party watch faces will not work correctly. Although this one does, and I'll link to it in the description. All right, so to turn on the always on display on our Venu 2, the first thing we need to do is open the menu by holding down the bottom right button just for a second or two. Once you see the menu, scroll down, select the gear for settings, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom for system. Once you get in system, go down to display, select display, and then you can configure it for during activity and not during activity. I'm going to do not during activity because that'll be most of the time that I'm using the watch. Once we get in there, go in the timeout, and rather than selecting short, medium, or long, scroll down and select always on. While in here, you can also configure the sensitivity and gesture. That's where it turns on the watch face fully if you move the watch towards you. From here, we can just back out. Now, if you notice that the always on display is not turning on after configuring it, I recommend trying a different watch face or even rebooting your Venu 2. All right, so that's how you turn on the always on display on your Garmin Venu 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Venu 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.